So let's talk PPC. And how does it work? So here's how it works. What do you do first? You delay. You tell yourself there's still more time. And then what happens? Time runs out. Time is almost over. What do? What do we all do? You panic. You hustle. You're hustling through. Your heart's racing. You might have some questionable hygiene. You've got that one working brain cell. You're trying to get it all done, and guess what? In some, maybe even most cases, you pull it off just enough to repeat the same cycle next time. Does this sound familiar? Imagine you've gone through